No politician wants to touch it. That's the issue, because it's such a big problem. So they can't fix it without causing serious pain to the economy and to the financial markets. So what they do instead is play this game of political hot potato, where they just keep passing the problem down the line until, something fundamentally breaks at some point and the music stops. And when that happens, well, the infrastructure for the solution to that problem has already been built a long time ago, and it's been in the works. It's blockchain technology. It's digital assets to facilitate liquidity and liquefy the system. Assets like XRP, XLM, the XRP ledger, tokenization. It's all being quietly developed behind the scenes, and it's been positioned for over a decade now, for a very long time. It's nothing new. They've been preparing for a long time for this event and this shift taking place. So don't focus and get distracted with the headlines. The evidence, the documentation, and all the clues have been available for a very long time. Now you're starting to see it become more mainstream, narratives around it, but it's been there. And the masses are just starting to hear about this now. But it's been there for a very long time. And so the World Bank and the IMF, again, which is the International Monetary Fund, the big institutions, the central banks, the United Nations, the banking cartel, basically, they all know that a reset is happening.